Friends, today we will discuss about cables and suspension bridges. Usually, cables are subjected to tension. They will resist the external load by means of the tensile forces. Yeah, this is curved in shape similar to the 3-inch arch. In case of 3-inch arches, they are subjected to the external loads, maybe either horizontal direction or vertical direction or inclined direction. They will resist the loads by developing the compressive forces at the supports. Here, the cables similar to that, but they are subjected to the cables are subjected to tension. Used in used as temporary guys for supports, permanent guys for supporting masts and towers in case of permanent structures. In case of towers, to support large tents like that of circus tents, they can be used in suspension bridges. Here usually the suspension bridges they consist of two cables consists of two cables on either side of rod, consists of two cables with the number of suspenders which suspenders support the roadway. Here this one is the suspension bridge. Here this one is constructed across a river. These are the two supports. They are the towers. Here over these towers on both sides of the river, there are on both sides, these are the supports. These are the supports or towers constructed on either side of either bank of the river. Then this one is the cable. Here I told that there are two cables. One is on this side of the road and one is on the another side of the road. Here this one is we have shown on one side. Here this one is the cable which is suspended like this on suspended over the two towers. Here these are the suspenders which will give the support to the roadway. Here these are all the suspenders. Usually the suspenders are U-shaped. Here they give the support to the roadway. Here this one is the roadway. Here the distance between the two supports, two towers, it is span of the suspension bridge. Here this one is the main cable. These are to give the support to in order to reduce the bending moment. Here the bending moment is 0. The cable is subjected to tension, and to reduce the bending moment, here these supports, these are the anchor cables which give the support to the towers, it is tied and tied by a cable, and the cable is fixed inside the ground on the both sides like this. These are the anchor cables. Here this is the suspenders are like this. Here cable is supported over towers. Cable is supported over towers as shown in figure to reduce the bending moment. To reduce bending moment in tower anchor cables are provided. The purpose of providing the anchor cable is to reduce anchor cables are provided to reduce the bending moment or to give the support to the tower. That is central sag. Here, this portion in this dip or central sag, that is usually central sag is 1/10 of sag, or it is also known as dip. That one is 1/10 to 1 by 15 times of span of the bridge. That is, here this one is the span. Usually this one is central sag. This one is 1 by 10th times or 1 by 15 times of the span of the bridge. The cables pass over. Cables will have roller type of support or guided pulley support. Cables will have guided pulley support, or roller supports. Either the support may be, here it is like this, guided pulley. Here this one is here, this one is anchor cable, this one is suspension cable. This one is suspension cable to suspend suspension cable. This one is anchor cable to reduce bending moment. Similarly, this one is guided pulley. Here this one is pulley. Guided pulley support. Similarly, in other case, that is roller type of support. Roller type of support. Here on one side, this one is suspension cable. This one is anchor cable. Both are subjected to tensile forces. Here, this one is tower. This one is tower. Here, this one is pulley. This one is roller type of support. Usually, such type of bridges are constructed for pedestrian traffic. In case of pedestrian traffic, to cross the road in heavy traffic roads where the traffic is more, to cross from one end to other end or one side to other end, usually for pedestrian traffic, such bridges are constructed in urban areas, in city areas. Here, suspenders directly supports the road. Suspenders supports the roadway directly. In case of heavy traffic, and large span, usually where the traffic is more and the loads are more, and larger spans, stiffening girders are provided Girders are provided to give the support to support roadway. To support roadway. Here, that one is stiffening girder is here. This one is roller support. Roller support. Here, this one is the cable. Here, these are the stiffening girders. Here, these are the suspenders. These are the stiffening girders. This one is tower. This is tower. This one is anchor cable. Anchor cable. This one is stiffening girder. Stiffening girder. This one is tower. Here in this case, if the span is large and heavy traffic, suspenders are, these are the suspenders. Suspenders are very large. Suspenders are very large. In this case, very large. Load on cable. Load on cable may be taken as UDL. May be taken as UDL. ODL.